got my costume on and I'm ready. No Bryson, what are you dress up as?
A Frankenstein.
Boring.
This is only fucking costume as you work with me, alright? I cannot wear the damn ass costume. What the fuck are you supposed to be?
I'm Baldi.
You don't look like him.
Yes, I am.
No, why are you supposed to be bald? You still keep your fucking hair on it. Not even look at him at all. Let me help you with that.
No Bryson, I don't want to be Balto.
You have to, Mr. Ho. You don't look like him at all.
No, please, Bryson.
Stay fucking still, Mr. Ho.
No.
If you don't stay still, Mr. Ho, I'm gonna make you suck my...
Oh, hi, Ete. Are you ready for Halloween? Ete, are you alright?
That is not Day-Day.
Tido yome anja ti Ete. Bryson, why you do that too, Ete?
That is not fucking Day-Day at all. I know that thing is not Day-Day because I'm friends with him like a fucking year. I don't know what the fuck that thing is, but I know that fucking thing is not Day-Day.
Bryson, what should we do?
Don't worry, I got an idea.
Save yourself, Mr. Ho.
Bryson, you son of the... Hi. If you will eat me go, I will keep you a plus on your math test. Can you will eat me go? What are you doing? Stop. That's very hard to me. Stop. Please, stop. My hair, that's it. I'm gonna to kill you.
You know I can't feel anything, right?
What?
I can't feel pain. I can't feel suffering. I can't feel emotion. Or I can't feel sad when I kill you. You know what I can feel? Happiness. When I torture people and leaving their fridge. The screaming. The agony. Make me feel so happy. Now you're my victim now.
What did I do you do? Ete.
You will see him. To the other side.
Hey.
Ete, you alive.
Yeah, I thought I was dead, but I realized I am an animation character. I can't bring myself back to life because I can't do anything I want. I'm still alive, but I'm still in pain. Anyways, the thing looks like me. Let me so alone. I will give you anything you want. Yes, anything. Just let me so go. I will give you anything you ask for, okay? What you want?
Your power.
Oh, my power. Yeah, my power is that I can do anything I want, but I can't give you that because it's way too powerful for you. How about this? I will give you 2 KFC gift card for you.
Ete.
How about my popular collection, huh?
Ete, HE will snap my neck.
How about my robot mime action figure?
What the hell?
Get shocked onto your head.
Ah.
Oh shit.
Why the shit don't we load?
Thank God I have this Pokeball, I can catch him.
Ete, what is that thing?
Oh, that thing? I really don't know what that thing is, but it looks like me. But all I know, if that thing enters the society, the humanity will be doomed. Should we concern about that? Nah, that thing in the Pokeball, he will never get out.
So, Ete, are you ready for Halloween?
Yeah, I'm ready for Halloween. This costume actually looks perfect for me, even though I'm still in pain. Let's go trick-or-treating, guys.
Halloween.
Yeah, I'm gonna punch some trick-or-treaters today. Twice and no.